February 2nd, 2026, humanity stands ready for Artemis II, the first crewed lunar mission in over 50 years. Excitement and anticipation fill the air as the world turns its eyes to the stars once again, eager to witness a new chapter in space exploration. This mission marks a pivotal moment not just for NASA but for all of humankind. 4 astronauts will ride the Orion spacecraft, aptly named Integrity, on a 10-day journey around the moon. Their mission will take them farther from Earth than any human has traveled in decades, testing their skills and endurance as they orbit our nearest celestial neighbor. Each crew member brings unique expertise, representing the best of international collaboration. This isn't just a repeat of Apollo, it's a bold leap toward a sustainable human presence beyond Earth. Artemis II will demonstrate new technologies and strategies, laying the groundwork for future missions that aim to establish a long-term foothold on the moon, and, eventually, reach even farther into the solar system. Orion, built by an international team, is a symbol of our shared ambition and technological prowess. Engineers and scientists from around the globe have contributed their knowledge and passion, making this mission a true testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together toward a common goal. The mission will test every system, paving the way for future lunar landings, and, eventually, Mars. From life support to navigation, every component must perform flawlessly under the harsh conditions of space, ensuring the safety of the crew and the success of future deep space exploration. As the Space Launch System ignites, Integrity carries the hopes of a new generation into deep space. The thunderous roar of the rocket signals not just a launch but the beginning of a new era, one filled with promise, discovery, and the spirit of adventure. Artemis II bridges our storied past with our ambitious future, honoring Apollo while forging new paths. The mission pays tribute to the pioneers who first set foot on the moon, while inspiring a new generation to dream bigger and reach higher than ever before. The journey begins now, a confident stride into the unknown. With every mile traveled, Artemis II brings us closer to a future where humanity explores, learns, and thrives beyond the boundaries of our home planet. Step inside Integrity, and you'll find a compact, high-tech home for 4 astronauts. Every inch is optimized: cockpit, lab, gym, and living quarters all in one. The glass cockpit features 3 smart displays, streamlining controls and reducing error. Seats are arranged for safety and flexibility, stowing away to create space for work and exercise. Manual backups sit below the touchscreens, ensuring the crew can fly Orion even if the digital systems fail. This blend of cutting-edge tech and reliable redundancy keeps the crew safe and focused. Orion's interior is a masterclass in human-centered design for deep space travel. Orion's life support is the silent guardian of the mission, working tirelessly behind the scenes to maintain air, water, and comfort for the crew. Even when they are hundreds of thousands of kilometers from Earth, these systems are designed to keep astronauts healthy and safe, no matter how far they travel from home. The European Service Module is the powerhouse of Orion, providing essential resources for survival. It stores water and oxygen, and its advanced solar arrays generate electricity from sunlight, ensuring the spacecraft remains powered throughout the mission. Air inside Orion is constantly scrubbed and refreshed, removing carbon dioxide and other contaminants, while temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to create a comfortable environment for the crew. Water is managed with extreme precision, dispensed for drinking, meal preparation, and hygiene. Future missions will push for nearly complete recycling, turning wastewater into clean, usable resources. The advanced space toilet is engineered for microgravity, maintaining hygiene and dignity, while backup oxygen tanks provide an extra layer of safety in case of emergencies. In the event of an emergency, the crew can quickly seal themselves inside the capsule, relying on stored air and supplies to survive the journey back to Earth. Every life support system is rigorously tested on the ground and in space, ensuring reliability and building confidence for the longer, more distant missions of the future. Orion's life support is the backbone of deep space exploration, enabling humans to venture farther than ever before, and paving the way for the next era of discovery. Deep space is unforgiving, but Orion is built as a fortress. Radiation shielding and a storm shelter protect the crew from solar events. Custom survival suits provide life support and safety during launch, re-entry, and emergency landings. The massive AV coat heat shield guards against the searing return to Earth. A launch abort system can whisk the crew to safety in milliseconds if disaster strikes. Every layer of protection is designed with one goal: bring the crew home safely. Orion's safety net is comprehensive, tested, and ready for the unknown. Our Endisons. Life aboard Integrity is a balance of work, exercise, and rest, all choreographed by mission control. The crew eats pre-packaged and rehydrated meals, fueling their demanding days. Health checks and exercise are daily routines, vital for countering the effects of zero gravity. A compact exercise device keeps muscles and bones strong for re-entry. Sleep comes in tethered bags, with eye masks and earplugs to block out the hum of machinery. Communication with Earth is constant, but autonomy is key. A structured day keeps the crew healthy, alert, and mission-ready. In this small space, teamwork and routine are the foundation of success. Artemis II is more than a lunar flyby. It's a rehearsal for Mars, our next great leap. Life support and recycling systems tested here will evolve for years-long Mars missions. The crew practices autonomy, making decisions without instant help from Earth, essential for Mars' long communication delays. Radiation exposure and protection strategies are validated, informing future shielding designs. The Moon is our proving ground, where every lesson brings Mars closer. Orion's heat shield is tested at lunar return speeds, mirroring what's needed for Mars. Artemis II is the bridge from lunar exploration to interplanetary travel. The countdown ends, and Artemis II roars to life, its engines igniting the night sky as 4 astronauts are launched on a historic journey toward the Moon. The ground shakes, and the world watches as humanity takes its next bold step into the cosmos, reigniting the spirit of exploration that defined the Apollo era. In just minutes, the crew leaves Earth behind, watching our planet shrink into a tiny blue marble suspended in the vast darkness. From their vantage point, they see the fragility and beauty of our world, a reminder of everything they're leaving behind, and everything they hope to return to. As Orion swings around the mysterious lunar far side, the crew becomes the farthest humans from home in history, isolated, yet deeply connected to everyone on Earth. In that moment, they carry the hopes and dreams of millions, united by a sense of wonder and possibility. They witness the breathtaking sight of Earthrise over the Moon's barren, silent horizon, a powerful reminder of our fragile home, floating alone in the darkness. It's a view that inspires awe and reflection, connecting them to every generation that has ever looked up at the night sky. The return to Earth is a fiery trial by ordeal, as Orion's heat shield blazes through the atmosphere, protecting the crew from temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. Every second is a test of engineering, courage, and teamwork. Splashdown in the Pacific Ocean marks the end of a 10-day odyssey and the beginning of a new era in space exploration. Recovery teams rush to greet the returning heroes, celebrating a safe return and a mission accomplished. Artemis II proves that we're ready to go farther, stay longer, and dream bigger than ever before. The mission's success inspires a new generation to reach for the stars and imagine what's possible. Orion carries our hopes and ambitions back to the Moon and onward to Mars, pushing the boundaries of human achievement and opening the door to the next great chapter in our journey among the stars.